Here's something crazy that could actually lead to world peace. So there was an agreement signed in 2002 by the US, Russia, and other countries called the Open Skies Agreement. And what this agreement basically did was allow different countries to do aerial surveillance on other countries and not have ramifications for it. So Russia could fly over the United States and report on what we're doing with our military. We could fly over Russia, report on what they're doing with their military. And this way, it created reassurance that other countries weren't building up their forces to try to attack another and overall lead to stability. Well, there's another interesting line of thinking where we implement this type of pact, but in the realm of cyberspace, essentially creating an open skies agreement with other countries to get into our systems, but we also get into their systems. And the idea is that it will lead to more stability because everybody can kind of see what is going on. Now, regardless of if you think it's a good idea or not, this is something that's been considered and it's something that people are discussing that could potentially lead to a more stable world, but it could also lead to less national security.